Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone in Avakin Life. If someone is bothering you or sending unwanted messages in Avakin Life, you can easily block them to prevent further interactions. First of all, launch open Avakin Life app on your device and log into your account if needed. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and locate the player you want to block. You can do this by opening their profile or going to the social tab at the top and clicking on Friends. From your Friends tab, if you already are friends with this person, then you can tap on the three dots right next to their name and then tap on Profile. Whichever person's profile that you've selected will be displayed on the page, where you need to tap on the block button at the bottom left and then click on OK to block the contact. Now, once you do that, the contact or the person will be blocked and they'll be located inside your block list. You can also search for a specific player and then add them to your block list if you want. So that is how you easily block someone on Avakin Life. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.